Well, just happened to come across a stopped train out of nowhere. And before I forget, I want to let y'all know that I'm going through more family personal issues at the moment. So, most likely, content will slow back down again. So yeah, it looks like CSX Locomotives. And I don't know how long this train is. I just got down here after thinking I was about to hear another train come through. I'm not seeing nothing really. Like there's nothing down that. Oh. Are they about to start moving? I'll have a radio with me. I think they're about to get moving here. Oh, it definitely sounds like it. Oh, they're definitely moving. And just like that, they stopped again. Wonder when they'll get moving again. Like their back end stretches all the way back down there. Oh, they're starting to move again. That was a hard jolt. I don't know if y'all seen that or not. My car was shaking quite a bit. Oh, they're moving again. They probably got a call about this train blocking that crossing down there. It is long enough to do it. Might as well pause here. Well, someone blew their horn. I missed it, but it just happened. Safe to say that some drivers are not very happy with this train crew right now. I mean, like, after all, honking your horn's not going to do nothing. You actually have to call. And so far, really nothing's happening. Now they're starting to move. As soon as I heard those air brakes filling up with air, I immediately unpaused. Just to be clear. That's why some of you, or a lot of you, may have noticed me being in a quicker rush. Just like that. Thinking about pausing for a moment, but then right as I was about to, they started moving. I know I have a lot more storage on this phone, but I don't want to possibly waste all of it to, well, just capturing the train just sitting. There ain't no point in that, that's for sure. And just like that, they stopped again. I'll pause again here until something further happens. Well, unfortunately, y'all. Oh, I was about to say that I get back home because of personal reasons that I mentioned before. But I think they're actually starting to get ready to move. Oh, no, wait. There's a vehicle coming. Oh, it's a CSX crew. What a surprise. Oh, are they about to do a crew swap? I think they're about to do a crew swap. I'm going to stay here a little bit longer for this, but, I mean, like, I'm pushing limits by this point. Really am. I gotta get back home. Oh, sorry about that, y'all. Did not know the finger was in the way until I actually looked at the camera. This Helen just seriously had someone do a burnout behind me while backing up. Like, sheesh. That was the very first time I've ever actually seen someone do something like that. Obviously didn't record it because I don't want to encourage it. But yeah, I've never seen anything like that until just now. It sounds like they're getting ready to get moving here. I might as well pause here because they're not showing any further action right now. And real quick, unrelated, those tire marks are from that driver, just to be clear. Just heard the horn. Don't know if I caught that last bit of it, but they definitely gave the horn again. A second time. Give you those wheels here. And by the way, for that railroad employee, if I actually caught them on camera, I'll be sure to blur them out to respect their privacy. I did not mean to capture their face if I did. And yes, the reason why I waited an extra bit for y'all is because of y'all. That's what I mean by when I say that I always try to put my viewers first. And that I pretty much do put them first. And this is basically proof of that. Oh, there are actual vehicles in there. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but I mean, look at that. It's like a possible GMC. Oh, that definitely was a GMC. Had to have been. What am I? Sorry, y'all. Nature's liking me a little too much. Oh, some nice needed wind. Right down there. I'll go zoom in on it because I don't want to miss anything. see that crossing finally reopened the traffic. I probably should have said it like that because I don't know how long the train's been here for. I'm not liking some of this wording that these trespassers have put on these cars. Yeah, it's nearly in. Someone just went to the crossing check. Right down there. That's the crossing. Yeah, I'm not liking how that car's rocking. I don't know if y'all can see that. Someone's telling me they're slowing back down. I might be wrong. Probably not though. The engine view is right there. The end's right there. And there you go.